Okay, next is multi-day views. We call this trending, okay? And so in trend analysis, we're going to keep track of the data over multiple days. Typically, we have 365, up to 365 days is our default to keep track of the data, although that can be extended to as much as a couple of years. And it gives us the ability to look at those trends in various parameters for capacity planning purposes, for one, be able to justify new hardware requests, and to see how your workloads are changing over time. So here's an example of the total throughput. Again, 6 different VSMs. And we're kind of looking for trends. Now this is the 7 weeks of data. Obviously not a big period in terms of 365. And I see it's hard to see a trend in overall here. The only thing I do see is that obviously every 7 days the workload is much higher. And that's not untypical in many customers where possibly a Saturday or Sunday there's a lot more backups, a lot more other things taken, and therefore higher throughput. So we can see not only the trend over the peaks over time, but we also see kind of the day-to-day variations when we look at this on a daily basis. Another trend that we can look at is how is my RTD mount time? Am I getting to the point where I'm seeing an increase over time with how long it's taken to mount my real tape drives, okay? And see if there's a trend there that I want to be able to address. Could be more tape drives, could be a number of different types of things that might address it if this was starting to increase there. Again, we see here, in general, about a 45 to 54 second mount time for whenever there's RTDs being mounted, and although some variation with time, pretty much nothing way out of range there. Okay, so again, that's the perspective we can get, some of the perspectives we can get from trending.